From News 19, I'm meteorologist Daniel Bonds. Our sunsets continue to get a little bit earlier. Sunset today, 6:57. A week from today, 6:47. And 3 weeks from today, which is Halloween, 6:32. Pollen continues to be a little bit of an issue for some of us. Ragweed, grasses, it does drop a little bit tomorrow, probably drop a little bit more on Thursday as those rain chances will be increasing. Our temperatures will be decreasing, it looks like, for Wednesday and Thursday. Today will be a little bit warmer compared to yesterday. We did hit 75 yesterday. Our average this time of year is closer to 79 degrees. Officially no rain at the Columbia Metropolitan Airport, at least no measurable rain, since September 17th. It's been quite some time we've had any kind of measurable rainfall. That should change as we go, especially into Thursday, maybe even really late on Wednesday. Here's kind of a wide view of our forecast model. You'll notice the clouds kind of streaming in later today, but mainly sunny skies, mostly cloudy to overcast conditions tomorrow as that moisture continues to kind of stream in as we look towards 2 o'clock Wednesday. You notice overcast skies. Our forecast model tries to paint in a little bit of rain really late in the day on Wednesday, especially as we go overnight Wednesday into early parts of Thursday. You see that low pressure system down to our south bringing all that moisture towards the Palmetto State. As we get into the, we'll say, mid to late morning hours of Thursday, most of the rain starts to decrease, and then the clouds start to decrease just a little bit as high pressure starts to build back in. So a little bit of a closer look at our forecast model showing South Carolina. We'll call it mostly sunny skies today. Overcast skies tomorrow. As we mentioned, do expect that rain chance to increase, especially late in the day on Wednesday, overnight Wednesday, into early parts of Thursday. This is Wednesday afternoon. Those clouds continue to stream across the area. Here comes those rain chances increasing across the Palmetto State. Certainly good news because we need the rain, and then you'll notice those rain chances do start to decrease as we go into the mid-morning hours of Thursday, or at least the early afternoon hours. Through 7 o'clock Thursday, our in-house forecast models indicating possibly up to about 2 inches of rain for parts of the southern half of the Midlands and southern parts of the Palmetto State. Those rainfall amounts do decrease the farther north you go. Here's what we're expecting over the next 7 days, anywhere from about 1/4 to 1/2 inch. You'll notice those rainfall totals, at least forecasted rainfall totals, do increase the farther south you go. European forecast model showing a little bit of a different scenario compared to the American model. Notice it shows just a small chance of rain on Thursday, basically dry on Friday with more rain on Saturday. American model, a little bit of a different scenario, showing rain Thursday and Friday, and then we're dry Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So as of right now, I do think we'll see the rain obviously on Thursday. We've got a small chance of rain in the forecast for Friday and possibly into Saturday as well. Today we're dry, mainly sunny, high temperatures, probably upper 70s in, we'll say, Fairfield County and Clarendon County. The rest of us will be in the lower 80s. Lows tonight dropping back down into the mid to upper 50s. Tomorrow is the start of the South Carolina State Fair. Upper 70s for highs. We're kind of struggling temperature-wise on Thursday with the rain and clouds in place. Highs probably upper 60s or so. Low 70s on Friday. Still, we're going to make that mention of a small chance of rain maybe Friday and or Saturday. 77 degrees are high on Saturday. A little cooler Sunday and Monday. Here's the coastal forecast showing rain Thursday, some showers Friday, maybe even some rain on Saturday. And the forecast for the upstate, showers on Friday, maybe even into Saturday, early in the day on Saturday, and then really cooling off Sunday and then Monday. Looking ahead, our 8 to 14 day temperature outlook. This is October 17th through October 23rd. Cooler than normal conditions are expected. Basically normal conditions as far as those rainfall amounts are concerned for the majority of the Palmetto State, but you look out towards a little bit more towards the west, drier than normal conditions in the 8 to 14 day outlook. Still watching this area, National Hurricane Center gives out a high chance of further development, and then one a little bit closer to home in the Bay of Campeche, they give this a low chance or 20% chance of further development over the next 7 days. Here are all the tropical tracks for the 2023 Atlantic hurricane season. We've had 18 storms this year, with the last one being Rena. Our next named storm, if we do get a named storm, will be called Sean.